Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi and today we are going to be working with pink because we are doing a BarbieCore set. BarbieCore is very big right now and I thought we would jump right into the trend and use something new to the channel. We are going to use this really light colored pink because, as you know, Barbie's color is pink. Her color is actually a little darker than this. This is going to be our base, and we will get to that. I picked up some little glitters. We've got some real pretty leaf glitters. Look how holographic they are. Very gorgeous. Cannot wait to use those. Actually, pay attention to the shorts. I've already put those on a nail. And then we've got these real cute Halloween glitters. These are like, there's glitter in there, but are the bigger things actually called glitter? Are they called something else? Let me know. Then we've got this blooming gel, which is what we're going to use today. And in the box, you get this little instruction booklet that I could have done a better job showing you. And it's just lets you know what to do if you're happy, what to do if you're sad. You get a nice little brush and the blooming gel itself. So now what we're gonna do is put some blooming gel on here, and we've got that darker pink that is more representative of Barbie's color, and we're gonna bloom it. We're gonna bloom that. I think it's gonna be so pretty. Actually, I already know it's so pretty, so there you go. I had fun working with this blooming gel, but here's the thing. I definitely want to do a super thin coat. You don't want it to be too thick, but the blooming gel itself is very thick, so it's hard to do that. But what happens is as it blooms, it gets very lumpy and bumpy. So the thinner coat you have, the easier it's going to be to disguise that later with some base coat or builder gel or whatever. You can already see it happening. See how it's creating bumps in the gel? Because that's got to bloom somewhere, right? While that cures, enjoy a snack with me. I'm having a blueberry unfrosted Pop-Tart. That's one of my favorite snacks. And I don't like frosted Pop-Tarts. I think that makes me a weirdo in the world, but I don't. My oldest daughter also does not like frosted Pop-Tarts. That's probably because I didn't give her sugary stuff when she was a kid. As far as cereals and things go, like even Cheerios, I didn't put sugar on her Cheerios or anything. And I tried not to do that with my younger daughter, but her dad, he's a sneaky little devil. So we're just continuing to bloom some color here. Every single nail is going to get its own little flavor of blooming. I really like the look of it, guys. It does bloom a lot more than, say, base coat does. If you don't want it to bloom as much, I would say base coat's maybe more friendly in that way because it's slower to bloom. But this blooming gel definitely, you can see it starting to spread immediately. And it's super fun. I enjoyed working with it a lot. But I've got to get a handle on how lumpy bumpy it gets and get better with my base coat application to make sure I can fill all those in because there's some texture there. But it's so fun and it's very pretty. Look how effective that is. It's gorgeous. I absolutely adore it. It's so pretty. So now, like I said, it needs a base coat. So we are going to come in with a base coat. And honestly, I should have been a little more juicy with it and just gone a little more slowly. And this is at double time, so it's not like I was going as fast as you see right now. But a slow hand and a juicy base coat is going to be your best friend, I think, with this. If you have any other techniques, please let me know in the comment section because I want to learn from you. We in the community, that's what I love about the nail community. We're all learning from each other, and there's not a ton of the snark like you get in the makeup community, which I've completely stopped watching any kind of makeup content because the drama, I cannot deal with it anymore. And there's always something going on. Somebody's mad at somebody, or somebody stole somebody's look, or whatever. And you don't really hear about that much in the nail community. So this is after base coat, and we've cleaned all the sticky layer off. And now I'm just coming in and adding a couple of water decals. And I had intended for that one to be more in the middle, but it landed where it landed and it wouldn't move. So I decided to just transcend it and let it be. Now that one got a little folded, so I'm fixing that, and we're gonna place it right here. I added a little touch of water so it would be more movable, which is the beauty of the water decal, honestly. They're so easy to use, you guys. If you're not that good at hand painting, then this is a product that you should definitely try. And this particular set is from Macute, and you can get those on Amazon. So now I decided to just add a few gems, and these are also available on Amazon. The name brand is going to be listed below, but they're jelly rhinestones. They're not glass or anything. They're probably just plastic. But I like the way they shine, and on certain sets, I think they just look so pretty. And I thought they were perfect for the Barbie set because, you know, everything from Barbie is a little plastic, right? And that's not a judgment. I love Barbie. I think Barbie's the bomb. I'd like them to give her more realistic proportions. Little girls don't need that pressure. Am I right, ladies? Guys, before we go, which we're getting close to the end of the video, I just want to say that I am very disturbed by what's going on in Iran, in the way that we lost a beautiful person there. And I stand with the people of Iran. There's not a whole lot more to say than that. But they are rising up and fighting for their freedoms, and I stand with them on that. And here's the finished set. Guys, I love these nails. I think they came out so cute, much cuter than I even anticipated that they would. So definitely get ready to see some more Bloomin' Gel on the channel. Thank you so much for coming by today and watching today's video. We are gonna see you on Thursday for something else awesome. Mwah. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.